How to unlink your Instagram account from Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to separate your Instagram from your Facebook account through the Account Center on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. At this point, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu options. In the next step, scroll down and tap on Account Center. Following this, you'll now be inside the Meta Account Center where all your connected accounts are managed. Once done, tap on Manage Accounts at the bottom of the Account Center page. From here, you'll see all the accounts currently linked together. Find your Instagram account from the list and tap the Manage button right beside it. At this stage, scroll down and look for the option that says Move out of Account Center. After this, tap on it and then tap Move Account to begin the unlinking process. Once completed, tap Continue to move forward, and when prompted, tap Yes, Finish Moving to confirm your decision. Finally, your Instagram account will be fully separated from your Facebook account. And that's it. If this guide helped you successfully unlink your Instagram from Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.